Alright, what's up, y'all? Oof. Oh, dude, that smells like shampoo. It smells like a very fruity shampoo. Oh, that's good. I don't even know how to describe the taste. This is vegan. What the hell? All ROCKSTARs taste the same to me. It's just a little scent difference. That tastes like Pop Rocks and 7-Up. I give that like a 7 out of 10. The one yesterday gave me friggin' it made me lightheaded, man. It didn't give me energy. It's $2 for $1. I wish. 2 for $4 at Safeway right now on all their ROCKSTAR. Anyways, this is good. Definitely recommend this. I'll update it later on with my energy stuff. So peace out, y'all. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.